अगर आपके दांत का छोटा सा टुक
I can't keep living like this. I need to change something. Bro, today
I made $30,000 profit.
What? $30,000?
I never knew making money could be this easy.
Bro, I want to earn too. Please help me. I just sent you a link.
Create an account from there.
BTC is really low. If I buy now, it might go up.
So what trade did you take?
I bought BTC.
Oh man, you're doomed. The market is going down.
Whatever happens, happens. It's been 5 hours. I need to check the market. Bro, you killed it. The market just boomed. Yeah, I'm in profit now. Listen, the market isn't stable. Sell right now. No, it's still going up. All right, do what you want.